The regular price of a shirt at a store is $11.70. The sale price of the shirt is 80% less than the regular price, and the sale price is 30% greater than the store's cost for the shirt. What was the store's cost in dollars for the shirt? Okay, now let me consider this information. That is, sale price of the shirt is 80% less than the regular price. Okay, now let's write this one as an equation. That is, sale price is equal to 80% less than. 80% less than means I have to subtract this 80 from 100. It is 100 negative 80 percentage times the regular price. The regular price is $11.70. Okay, 11.70. 100 negative 80 is 20. That is 20% times 11.70. We can convert this 20% as a decimal. For that, we have to divide 20 by 100. Then we get 0.2 times 11.70. Okay, now let me multiply 0.2 and 11.70. I am getting 2.34. That is, the sale price of the shirt is $2.34. Okay, now what we can do is we can consider other information. That is, the sale price is 30% greater than the store's cost for the shirt. Okay, now we can write this information as an equation. That is, sale price equals to 30% greater than means we have to add this 30 to 100. Okay, here 100 positive 30%. Actually, we got the first information 80% less than, so we subtracted 80 from 100. Here 30% greater than means we have to add 30 to 100 times the store's cost for the shirt. So let's assume the store's cost for the shirt as just Y. Okay, already we got the sale price, that is $2.34. Let's plug in this value for sale price value over here. Then we get 2.34 equals to, and here we get 130% times Y. Then we have 2.34 equals to, when I convert this percentage to decimal, I'm getting 1.3. That is 130% equals to 130 divided by 100. When I do so, I'm getting 1.3 times Y. Our aim is to get the value of Y, which gives the store's cost in dollars for the shirt. Let me divide both sides by 1.3 to solve for Y. So let's cancel this 1.3 and 1.3. Okay, now let me divide 2.34 by 1.3. When I do so, I'm getting 1.8. So here I got the value of Y, that is 1.8. So we have assumed Y as store's cost in dollars. Therefore, the store's cost in dollars for the shirt is 1.8.